Hi guys, Con here. So I'm at a Mercedes press conference announcing their Q3 results. Okay, and surprise, surprise, this was not stated in the invite, but they have also shown us this pair of new variants of the E-Class. We have the E53 Coupe here, E53 Coupe here, and the E53 four-door sedan here. Okay, so the E53 sedan replaces the E43, whereas for the coupe, this is the new range-topping model of the E-Class Coupe family. There was never previously an E43 Coupe, so this is a new addition to the family. And so official prices have not been announced, but estimated the E53 Coupe goes for around 740,000. The E53 sedan 740,000, E53 Coupe thereabouts of 764. Okay. Yeah, so in terms of form factor, body style and all that, the E53s, they share the same bodywork as the regular versions of the E-Class. Okay, and see, the thing is that the front look between the E-Class sedan and the E-Class Coupe, right, slightly different one, you know. There are no interchangeable parts, okay, body parts between the E-Coupe and the E-Sedan. The bumpers are different, the headlights are different, the grille different, bonnet different. Okay, yeah, so even the fender also is different. You notice that the sedan, okay, the E-Class sedan, the front fender has this sharp crease, whereas over here at the coupe it's smooth, right? Smooth. So they are totally different body panels from each other. And also between this and the E63 sedan, okay, the E63 sedan has a slightly different front end. The E63 sedan, okay, the bonnet has a clamshell design, so it actually goes like that, whereas here with the regular E-Class and the E53 here, the bonnet has this jagged shut line. Okay, right. So technical details, the 53s are powered by Mercedes-Benz's new 3-liter inline-6 engine mild hybrid. Okay, outputs are listed in the description section below. So this is more powerful than the E43, the now discontinued E43, but one step below the E63. So 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, the E53 sedan manages it in 4.4 seconds. E63 manages it in 3.4 seconds. So it is a 1 second jump. Okay, so let's take you on a walk around the back. So this is the rear end of the E53 Coupe. Okay, I'm always a big fan of this generation E-Class Coupe, the C238. I think it is a very stylish coupe, and yet at the same time it is a very family friendly coupe. Yeah, so I think I've demonstrated in my review of the E200. I like how that rear window actually is able to wind down, and that allows you to actually put your baby in to the child seat more conveniently than you would with a regular two-door coupe. So this is the E-Class E53 sedan. Yeah, so we step behind now, and you notice that a distinguishing design feature of these E53s are the quad round exhaust vents. Okay, you see the same design motif here in the coupe. Okay, and you get this subtle ducktail spoiler both here on the coupe and on the sedan. But the overall body parts are the same between this and a regular E-Class. So you get different rims, you get the badges that mark themselves out. Okay, Turbo 4matic Plus at the fenders, and also we can see from these cars they are equipped with 360-degree camera. Right, so you get 360-degree camera here. Okay, first let's look at the rear cabin of the E-Class sedan. Pretty much the same stuff as you get in a regular E-Class sedan, at the back at least. So you get rear air con vents, armrest here with a compartment inside, cup holders fold out, ISOFIX mounts. This is the type where the cover you can chop it out. Yep, so standard E-Class cabin. You get Burmester audio, you get raisable sunshades. Okay, so let's look inside the dash of the sedan. Okay, so the overall layout is the same as the regular E-Class sedan. Okay, and let me just figure out how to off the radio. Alright, okay. So we'll study the instrument cluster. So this is the same instrument cluster as per the regular E-Class. You get the full width screen. Okay, so here is the instrument cluster. You know, I don't quite like this yellow what you call it, fonts, but this is something you can change, not a big deal. And you notice at the bottom edge of the tachometer there's this EQ gauge here, right? Power and charge. So why this is so? Because the E53 here is a mild hybrid, so it has an integrated starter generator that helps you to that gives you that a bit of what you call a bit of a nudge, if you like, upon takeoff. So the bulk of the driving with this car is still performed by the 3-liter inline 6 up front, but the integrated starter generator helps give you a bit of a kickstart, if you like. So you see, in stop-go traffic, right, the part that consumes the most fuel is when you are taking off from a standstill. So this integrated starter generator, what it does is that it relieves the engine's duty at those peaks when the fuel consumption is highest, and as a result, it then helps you lower the car's overall fuel consumption, and the difference, I believe, will be extremely noticeable if this car is used on highways. And our recent experience with Mercedes powertrains, the C43 for example, Mercedes powertrains are very, very fuel efficient. The C43 we drove during Evo Enduro from Habjai to Hua Hin, one tank without needing to refuel. So with this car, with this E53, I am expecting also this car will be quite a bit more fuel efficient than you would expect. Okay, so here's the steering wheel. This is a different steering wheel from the regular E-Class. It's a sportier AMG steering wheel. I like how this metallic finish on the steering. Well, of course, it's actually coated plastic lah, but it's nice. It has a very nice look to it. And so you on the dashboard you get this carbon weave trim. This is definitely one step up from the gloss black trim that you get in the regular models. In the C-Class particular, I hate the gloss black trim. Okay, and yeah, you get the sports exhaust here and here. Okay, let's explore the command system a bit. And so you have track pace, right, and track race. So telemetry, okay, yeah. So there are plenty of all these various. Wow, you can set it to measure your quarter, or you call it quarter mile, your acceleration. Oh, brilliant. All right, so yep. What's more, you get dynamic select, engine data, vehicle data. Right, so you get all this lah. This is pretty standard stuff. Let's see if there's anything that is different from the regular E-Class. So I think the main differentiating point is this lah, this track pace system here, where yeah, timing, new track. Yeah, so you just drive to the start line, select start, and you just drive around, and I believe it will just track. The car will just track your progress, lap times. Yeah. Okay, nice. But overall, this is the standard E-Class cabin. So you can watch what I have to say about the E-Class cabin in my past videos of the E-Class. Nothing appears different here. Yeah. So really, what's going to be the differentiating factor of this car between this and the regular E-Class will be the drive. And let's look at the seats. So this is the front passenger seat. It will be the same as the driver one. So you get extra side supports here. You get this AMG badge here. It's Alcantara insert here. Yep, very nice. Okay, so let's adjourn to the coupe. Okay, so let's look inside the coupe. just a quick glance at the back. So this is the back seat area, okay, and we come sit in front. So the coupe here, roughly the same dash architecture as per the sedan, but a different mix of materials. What I really like about the E-Coupe's interior are these jet turbine inspired vents. Very, very nice. I wish Mercedes would just put this over to the sedan. It really transforms the interior. This is a nice metallic dash insert. Well, I've said my piece about this gloss black trim. I'm not going to repeat myself again here. And so here, so same stuff as the interior, and same stuff as the interior of the sedan. You get the same instrument cluster, which the appearance of this cluster can be customized. So here you found the display and styles. So you can change the instrument cluster's appearance. Okay, so this is the sport design, progressive. But personally, this is my preferred appearance of the E-Class instrument cluster. Yep. Okay, so nothing new in terms of the architecture. It's the same. Okay. Yeah. So now we just wait for our opportunity to drive these cars at a later review. Alright guys, so this concludes my walk around video of the new AMG E53 Sedan and Coupe. Yep, and do drop your comments, do drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Until my next video, thanks for watching, bye for now.